Hi and welcome to day 5 of Real South African Sign Language Stay Home Lessons. In today's lesson, we will learn about the myths around lip reading and some ideas for you to help the lip reader or assist the lip reader. Secondly, we will learn the structure of South African Sign Language when there is time involved. Thirdly, we'll learn some time vocabulary, days of the week, months of the year, and so on. Now, most people believe that deaf people, all of the deaf people, can lip read and can lip read perfectly, 100% all of the time. But that's not quite true. Sometimes a lip reader can only catch around 60% of what you are saying. Now, to prove how difficult lip reading is, I'm going to give you 3 sentences, starting with an easy one, and I want you to see if you can see what I'm saying. So, let's start the first sentence. Did you get that? If you did, well, you were very good then. Now you can make it easier for a deaf person to lip read. Now to assist, there's a few things you can do. Don't look away when you talk to the deaf person. Try to keep in their direction. Do not chew bubblegum. Do not chew bubblegum or eat something that can distract or change the mouth shape. And also, if they ask you to repeat, do not shout. Once you shout, your lips changes form. And it's very hard for the deaf person to read your lips. Structure of sign language. When there's time. Days, months, and time always comes at the beginning of what is being said. In this case, if I say, shop, me, go, this means I'm going to the shop. But if I say, yesterday, shop, me, go, it means yesterday I went to the shop. So you're going to sign exactly the same thing. This is what you're going to do. If you do this in the beginning, you have to put it in the beginning, it makes the sentence past. If you do that, it makes the sentence future. So if I say tomorrow, or in the future, I say shop, me, go. That means I will go to the shop. Or tomorrow, or in the future, I will go to the shop. So your sentence stays the same, but to change the tense, you just and forward. Now I want to say thank you to Setumo Makopo from Wolvenkop Special School. He is an assistant teacher, a deaf assistant teacher, and he's exceptionally passionate about deaf children. He's also learning to become a professional teacher in early childhood development. So he's going to teach us some new vocabulary around time and day. One more thing I can teach you. The days of the week are super easy. It's your 5 hand, closing it is Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now, why is this Sunday? It's some reverends or pastors, they have this, I don't know if it's a sash or something they have on. And years ago, that's where Sunday comes from. But I've also seen the sign for Sunday. So it's easy. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or Sunday. That's the lesson for today. I hope you've learned something, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 6. Bye.